Friday, March the 12th. Turn TV off. 2021. I haven't made a video in a long time in my small account, so I decided to make another video today. This is why I traded only 40 shares for $29.21. Turn the ring on my phone off. 40 shares would have cost me close to $240, and I made 29 bucks, so made about 14%, almost 15%. So first of all, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade stocks, and just maybe it'll help you out if you come across the same patterns or trading style. So my watch list this morning, I put it in the group. Also, do not follow what I'm doing. Just look at what I'm doing as a reference. Do not follow what I'm doing though. Just do your own due diligence. Let me go backwards. So this morning, I put in the group, I was watching these stocks right here. I added a little more to it, but those are the ones I was watching the most because, as you know by now, you should know by now, stock traders usually follow the stocks with most momentum. So meaning the leading gappers, and usually the top 4 gappers is what folks try to look for. In my case, these right here 4 were the leading gappers. So I looked at ENTX. I made a trade on that in my large account, and I can go here to the group. I'm on YouTube. I'm always on YouTube. I go here to the group, and you will see right here today's trade, wasn't it? Yeah. Let me refresh the screen, y'all. I should have been ready. I wasn't planning on making no video, but yeah, I wasn't ready. Let me screen right quick to this video, and you'll see what my trade was. As the screen freezes up, you gotta love it. Come on, Facebook. All right, so I made a trade this morning, which would not want to open right now in my large account, which is weird, but okay, it don't want to load. We're gonna try this again. Man, come on, Facebook, you tripping. Did I not put the video there? The picture there? Hold on, y'all. I may not put the picture there. Yeah, it's my fault. See, I made the video, forgot to put the photo up there. There we go. All right. There you go. Here go the watch list up here. ENTX, GIGM, right? These ones here. NLSP popped up later in the day. You see here I said I trade GME every day. They go my GME, ENTX, they go to ENTX, NLSP, wasn't on the watch list. However, over here, this watch list, this watch list, this watch list, this watch list. So this morning, I found the top leading gappers on the day. Tesla this morning is, why is it freezing? What the heck? Tesla this morning is down 3%. So on days like this, I take half profits I make today. I buy a quarter of Tesla, I buy a quarter of Apple, I buy a quarter of Amazon, and I buy a quarter of Microsoft. Those are my 4 I'm buying today. And then I take another quarter of my half left over, right? And I buy all cryptocurrencies. So I buy like some Dogecoin, some Ripple, I got a bunch of them. Matter of fact, we're gonna go look at them. I'll tell you what I'm doing exactly. I'll buy top 20, right? Is what I do at least. So I stop right here at VeChain. So I buy from here up. I know this morning also some stocks was added to Coinbase. They added some more stocks today. I think one was like Sushi Coin or some other crap. I'll tell you right now what it was. Let me go on my cell phone and look around. This morning, I'm trying to find it. Hold on. I'm trying to give you my process of what I do every morning. Again, this is not scripted. It's not voiced over. This is exactly what I do every morning. So if I'm all around the place, it's because that's what happens in a day. Today, They added what to Coinbase? Let's see. Let's find it. Let me find it right quick and tell you. Here we go. Today they added Sushi Swap, Polygon, and Scale, SKALE. Those are 3 coins added today to Coinbase. So I'm gonna go find those coins and probably buy those as well. While I'm here, I'm gonna find the price. So you wanna know something about a coin? You type it in, coin market cap. If it freaking read, what a day, man. What a day. It don't want to do nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days. I see. So Scale add today to Coinbase. I'm gonna buy some Scale today. It's 94 cents up today, almost 57%. Right, 54%. Just added today to Coinbase. I'm gonna buy some of that. I'm also gonna buy some Sushi Swap, only because these are new coins, and I know people are gonna be buying them. I don't care about researching. I don't care what's gonna do in the next 10 years. I can care less. All I care about today is making profit off it. So I might buy some Sushi Swap, which I am, and probably sell it in 2 days for probably 100% because everybody's gonna see now it's on Coinbase and they're gonna buy it because traders are like sheep, right? They follow what everybody else do. If you're inexperienced, you're a sheep. If you're experienced, you're a wolf because you know what folks gonna do. This right here is wolf mentality. I know people gonna buy this stock. I know this already. Look at this Polygon, right? I know they're gonna buy it. So I'm gonna put my order in a minute to buy all these coins. The top 20 plus those 3. If you don't know where it's at, you can't find it, go to market. It'll tell you where it's at. Here you go. Tell you where it's at. There you go. Coinbase Pro added today. So yeah, back to my stock trading. So this morning, I decided to go and trade NLSP. So what I did was look at the 15-minute 5-day chart. First of all, the volume, it only had 11.7 million share float. At that point I saw it had 11 million shares being traded. So I knew it was being traded a lot on a small float. That's almost 10 million shares. Perfect setup. Then you look here at the news, you'll see here, news said, hey, we got news on it. I read the news a little bit, saw it running, saw the volume real high, which alerts me and tells me, hey, this thing can run today. If you look here, you will see that 15-minute candle there was the bull candle. So let me make it larger. Let me go over here to NLSP. Let me go here. Here we go. That 15-minute candle, which is right here, was my buy point. I bought 593. You see, I sold 660. So you look up here, you will see. Let me change my pointer to a trend line. So from here to top of this point price to down here, one 15-minute movement was $3.88 or 57 cents. 57%. One 15-minute candle ran the stock up 57%. I was alert. I saw it. However, I'm not going to chase the stock. I watch for a pullback on the 15-minute chart because I know people are going to buy it, right, and then get out of a profit. I waited till the first 15-minute candle made a new high, which is right here. Let me go to 5-minute chart. Same scenario, 5-minute chart. It ran up. It's stair step, right? Higher than next, higher than next, higher than next. But I wanted to do a pullback. I watched for the pullback. At this point, it's on 8:30 in the morning. You know by now, I don't trade before 9:20, 9:15, unless the stock going parabolic, then I trade. So right here, good time to buy in. I didn't buy because, again, it's 8:30, 8:35 in the morning. It went up from here, 580, to here, 639. Good movement in a 15-minute time frame, right? But put back again. I saw it put back again in 5-minute chart. I watched it. Fake out. Didn't pass the green. Or didn't pass the red, right? Next candle was a red. Here come the green. Barely touched the red. Bam, next candle hopped in because it passed the previous green. I always buy, almost 90% of the time I buy, the first green candle to make a new high or the green to green move. In this case, new high be the red to green or new high gonna be a green to green, right? Those my way I buy stocks. So I bought here, watched for the opening, saw the pull up, it faded, pull back, it faded, it pulled back about 6 times. I said, you know what? I'm getting out of it. I hopped out of it. Candle over, It popped in, same level as we kind of before, ran up weekly and pulled back, and here we are now pulling backwards. So a lot of times the stock you have here, you may have like 20 seconds sometimes, or even like a minute. But the longer you hold the stock, the more dangerous it gets, in my opinion. Look here, 1 minute chart wise. 1 minute chart, you popped in here, could have ran up. Next candle was red. Even trading 1 minute candle, you would have saw as red. So either 5 minute or 1 minute, it would alert you, hey, get out this stock. It's going to pull back. Now, if you got to, like my case, when I buy a stock and I'm up on it like 20, 30 cents, I put a trading stop on my stocks and I put in at 15 cents. That way, if it closes at my trading stop, I make at least 5 cents. But most times, it's going to run up, right? And when it runs up, you're going to make that movement with it. Because as your trading stop is here, and the stock runs up, it's going to move as well. Make sense? So, I put in my trading stop here at a 630 actually. Was right here. I put in my trading stop 630. So it went from there 620. Now I'm still up at this point, almost 30 cents, right? I bought 593. So it popped up, it ran, perfect. Then it made a new trading stop at 620 or 630, I think it was, or 640. Then it went on next candle, it popped up, put back fast, and it sold at 660. That makes sense? So again, the top leading gappers on the day, I found top leading gappers, and I went with it. If you look here, over here on this GI, get off this. If you look here on this GIGM, see what I did here? I pushed my unchecked auto send button because if I push this button over here, it probably will buy it automatically by mistake. So in order to not make a mistake, I take off my auto send and then watch it like that. So over here, ENTX still running. Look at that. It halted on volatility. It's halted right now. I didn't know that. However, I'm giving a class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go now to my cell phone and buy it right out this halt. Because it's going to skyrocket. I noticed already. Because it's only the first halt. Usually 2 halts, you're pushing it. The first halt, usually it runs. Second halt, it come out and explodes. The third halt, you got danger. Right? Hold on a second. Let me try to buy this ENTX again. Out this halt. Let me see. Confirm. I'm gonna buy it possibly at $8. Let's see what happens right here. Before I do that though, I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm gonna go over here and see how long this halt's gonna last. So I'm gonna type in NASDAQ current trade halts. See that? So ENTX halted at 9:46 and 41 seconds. Current time is 9:54 and 20 seconds. So we have 5-minute halts, 10-minute halts, and 15-minute halts. When you pass 15-minute halts, it gets dangerous. So LUDP, meaning it's halt on volatility. So you A1. If it's something else, different symbol like an M or something like that, that means you got investigation going on. Here we are right here. Correction, enter bio, share, zoom in, continue higher, harder against circuit breaker. Wait, halt twice? That missed the first halt? Let me see. Yeah, I missed the first halt. Yeah, this halt too. It halted right there. This halt too. But I'm still gonna get in it out the halt. I'm gonna get in about $8, maybe earlier if I can, and I'm gonna sell it at about 9. What's the gap? Look at 5-day, 15-minute chart. Yesterday's high was 787, so which means it's gonna blow past that. So what's the high before that? Man, it's the highest it's been in quite a while. So technically, there is no gap to fill because it's high as it's been. Interesting. I made a trade back here, I see too. Months ago. 599 out at 260, out at 354. So I traded before. It's the highest it's been. So let me go to the max. Yeah, it's the highest it's ever been. Okay. So it's no ceiling. Lil Wayne song, right? It's no ceiling. That's perfect. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the group and say, my bad, y'all. I'm doing everything. I play fantasy sports. ENTX halted on volatility with no ceiling, meaning it's the highest price that it's ever been. Real video, y'all, not scripted. I'm everywhere, but I'm trying to make money and all. There we go. There go $8, $8.35. See, well, I tell you, am I in at $8? Let's see. I just put that stuff in. Let's see. I am in. Yes, I am at 783. Perfect. And hold it again. Try and get out at $9. See what happens right here. Might have to get out sooner. Let's see what it does. Don't be greedy. They go $9. There we go. And I'm out at $9. Come on. Did it sell or what? There we go. I'm out at $9. Now at this point, I'm not going to trade anymore that stock because it's dangerous. Third halt, it's a problem. It's halted again. See that? See right here at the bottom? See numbers coming in? It's halted. It doesn't move the price, it's halted. So I made a trade, got in at 783, and out at $9. I'm not being greedy. That's $1 and daggone 17 cents though, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask the group. Are you watching the group? Hold on, y'all. I'm texting people. Are you watching the group? I posted ENTX. I'm also making a video. So everything I'm telling you live is going to be in the video and it's also in the text messages. All right, so I'm going to go right here right quick and post my trade I just made on ENTX. And you're going to see, and I go to the screen again, my ENTX trade, which is right there. All right, ENTX trade, I just made one. We go to the group, and you'll see here, right here, ENTX, $34,400. So I made $9,200 on it earlier, and traded it again, and made $34,400. And I put it all on video. I told you my buy points. I told you my sell point, right? Everything is all on video. So I'm not making up stuff. It's real life, real action on video. I can't front or fake this. Again, pardon me being all over the place because I'm trying to make a video as well as trade for my cell phone, which is way harder. Look at this. Watch this move on NLSP. So watch this high of day. All right, I put alert in for that. Watch this high of day on NLSP. High of day, 720, right? Watch this. Let's look at it live. Green and green move. See that? There it go. It's in the group. Even if you got in the late, you will still get this point. Watch this right. Watch this pullback. It's a 5-minute chart, right? Look at that pullback. See it coming a mile away. You know why I pull back like that? Profit taking. Make sense? Look down here, y'all. Check this out. Let me make a new drawing tool. I'm gonna draw a channel right quick. It's not clear. All right, look at that. Watch this move right here. Look down here at the MACD and the RSI. RSI is riding that 70 line. It's up and down, right? 70 support. Down here at the MACD, you see here, it was heavily sold. People started buying it, heavily sold. See that green coming in right there? They're trying to buy it. All right, I'm in the video now because computer acting stupid. It's updating and stuff. So let me go ahead and end the video. I'll put it in the group. put on my page. Hopefully you guys seeing what's going on here for this movement. Watch it blow past 735. Watch the video later, you'll see. It'll pop that 735. It's no ceiling. With that being said, y'all, one trade away. Be safe out here.